If you want to remove the audio block from being visible or editable by other admins on your WordPress site, you would need to control the content editing permissions and access. WordPress itself doesn't have a built-in feature to restrict specific blocks for other users, but there are ways to manage user roles and control permissions. Here's how you can prevent other admins from using the audio block. Restrict access with plugins. You can install a plugin like User Role Editor or Publish Press capabilities to modify user permissions for editing blocks. These plugins allow you to fine-tune which user roles have access to certain features. Go to Plugins, Add New, search for User Role Editor and install it. Once activated, navigate to Users, User Role Editor. Choose the user role and customize permissions. Disable permissions related to the block editor or any specific block types, such as audio, if the plugin allows such fine-grained control. Use custom code. You can also use custom PHP code to remove the audio block for specific users, but this requires developer expertise. You can hook into the block editor registration process and disable the audio block for certain user roles. Here's an example of the code. This will remove the audio block for administrators, but it's an advanced method and should be used carefully. Educate admins. If you don't want to limit functionality, simply educating other admins about avoiding the use of the audio block is another non-technical solution. You can set guidelines within your team to discourage its use.